Canceling an Optus plan in 2025 requires understanding your contract terms and potential fees. Optus offers both contract and no contract plans. Postpaid plans like mobile or NBN broadband often have 12 to 24-month minimum terms. Prepaid plans are typically month to month. If you're on a contract, check for early termination fees, which can range from $0 to $500, depending on the plan and remaining term. You may also owe outstanding balances on financed devices. Be aware of potential equipment return fees. Optus may waive fees in cases of hardship. Recent trends show a rise in no-contract plans, reducing cancellation complexity but increasing churn. Canceling your Optus plan is now primarily done digitally, making the process faster and easier. First, log into your Optus account via the app or website. Ensure you're the account holder. Next, check your plan details for eligibility, fees, and any outstanding balances. Then, initiate cancellation through the app or website, providing a reason for cancellation. Settle any outstanding payments, including early termination fees if applicable. Return any Optus equipment using provided labels to avoid additional charges. Finally, confirm your cancellation via email or SMS. Service disconnection typically takes 24 to 48 hours for mobile and up to 7 days for broadband. If you feel fees are unfair, escalate to the ACCC or Optus's internal review team. This digital-first approach has made cancellations 90% faster compared to calling.